We're here today to help with the maintenance of the Long Man of Wilmington. So Sussex Past, it's part of their mission to look after heritage that they're the guardians of in Sussex. It's part of our maintenance routine. We normally come and paint him every 5 years, or in this case, the last time we painted him was 3 years ago. So we're trying to do it more often if we've got enough people. We're a small charity, and we have some very large maintenance projects that go on across our properties. So it's absolutely vital that we have the support of local companies like Brewers. They've supplied the paint for us for the Long Man of Wilmington, and the paint brushes and some of the pots. It's been really good. So the Long Man is a mysterious figure, so there is no definitive answer about what historical era it originates from. There's lots of different theories. It could be ancient, it could be more modern. We think originally that it may have been a chalk figure, and then the Victorians felt that it was being eroded and wanted to restore it, and they put it into created yellow bricks to preserve the outline. I think they only used the bricks because they tried to restore the chalk first, and that just washed away again. The yellow bricks were replaced because people kept taking them home as souvenirs. It was replaced with the concrete blocks in 1969, again to stop the erosion of the outline. So we've used Albany masonry paint, about 70 litres for the Long Man of Wilmington, and we've used that because it's obviously outside over winter, and we need something tough that's going to manage the severe weather conditions and being outside through the summer and the winter. The Long Man is a Sussex icon, isn't it? It's there in the landscape, and it's a symbol of the South Downs. It's sort of in everyone's life, and it would be crazy if it wasn't there anymore.